Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harmony, and in this tutorial we are going to look at what to do if MySQL Workbench keeps crashing when you try to run MySQL queries. So first off, I'm going to log into my database, and then we have this particular query right here, and we have to go ahead and execute this. Let's see. So as you can see, it brings up this error message. So we are unable to execute our query in MySQL Workbench. So to fix this, I would recommend you downgrade the version of the MySQL Workbench installed on your system. So let's find out which version of MySQL Workbench that is currently running on our device. So I'm going to open MySQL Workbench again. I will go to About MySQL Workbench. So as you can see, this is version 8.0.32. So let's download version 8.0.31. that is a more stable version. So open your browser and visit this URL. I'm also going to be pasting this URL in the video description below, and go to archives. So this is where you can access the older and also the earlier versions of MySQL Workbench. Click the drop down and select version 8.0.31. Now you can click download and install. Now that we have MySQL Workbench 8.0.31 downloaded, I have to install it. But before installing this, we have to first of all remove the previous version we had on our system. So let's go back to the applications folder and drag this into the recycle bin. Okay, we have to close it. Now let's install this version of MySQL Workbench that we just downloaded. So I'm going to drag this into the applications folder and give it a few seconds to copy. Now let's open our applications folder and launch MySQL Workbench. So this is the version that we just installed. I'm going to log into my database. And now let's try to rerun this query again. And boom, it's working. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.